Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to register a car on Booking.com. Alright, let's begin. First, open a web browser and go to business.booking.com. Press enter to access the Booking.com for Business website. At the top right corner, you will see Sign in and Register buttons. Click Register to begin. On the next page, start by entering your email address. You can also sign in with Facebook, Google, or Apple if preferred. Once your account is created, you need to provide personal and business details. Choose your title, then enter your first and last name. In the next step, enter your company name as you want it to appear. Select your country from the drop-down menu. You may also enter the number of travelers, but this is optional. Once all required fields are completed, click Submit to finish registration. After submission, your account will be processed and you can list your car on Booking.com. So that's basically how you can register a car on Booking.com. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.